Eons may pass, and our bones will long have turned to dust. But by our actions and by our example, humanity shall endure. Kale Corvidae serves as a shadow captain of the Raven Guard during the era Indomitus. As master of the recruits of the 10th Company, Corvidae's peerless skills in sabotage, raiding, and intelligence gathering allows him to lead by example when teaching the aspirants of the 19th. A veteran of hundreds of battles, despite his extensive service to his chapter, few outside the ranks of the Raven Guard even know of his existence. Delegating much of his responsibilities in training recruits to his subordinate sergeants, Corvidae's need to crush the foes of the Imperium often results in the annihilation or crippling of the Raven Guard's enemies. Leading scouts and assault marines in battle, Kale's devastating lightning strikes have proven deadly to any enemy who is unaware of their impending wrath. Favoring airborne assaults, the chapter's conflicts forewarned of their opponent's capabilities find Corvidae's intel gathering to be crucial in effectively culling their foes. So effective is Corvidae's affinity for stealth, he has evaded much glory and plaudits made in the name of his chapter, for only the success of their campaigns is reward enough. Saving an entire battalion of Elysian drop troopers during the Raven Guard's joint campaign of Castoral Novum of 992.M41, Corvidae's heroic actions saved many lives of the soldiers of the Imperium from the Orc War of Garagak, but at great cost. As the raid proved devastating due to the loss of over 70 battle brothers of the chapter, Corvidae has undertaken a voluntary 2-year service of penance among the ranks of the Death Watch. Though whether he has succeeded in his quest to achieve forgiveness from the Emperor remains unknown.